Good day, everyone. It's time for weather news with J7409. The name you know, the news you can use. Today, of course, is Wednesday, the 24th of October, 2018. Taking a look here at the watches and warnings map, courtesy of the National Weather Service this morning, we can see down in Texas where you see the dark green areas there. That is a flash flood watch. Just a watch, but you've got about 100% chance of rain in all of those areas today. And where you see the lighter green, that is a flash flood advisory or warning. That color stands for both. So that's what's happening in Texas. As we move on up north, my goodness gracious, snow, 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 freezing rain, all that stuff I've been talking about is happening. And for you guys, up in this area, right in here, just a little bit of Vermont right here, but for the most part in Maine, wherever you see the pink, that's a winter storm warning. And wherever you see the yellow, now, listen to me, the yellow, the blue, I haven't been up long, people, the blue, wherever you see the blue, that is a winter weather advisory. So let's check out some of these places right quickly. Now, I'm not going to read all of this all the way through, but if you need to know if your area is involved with these watches and warnings, you can go back, stop it, and check out the areas, okay? Winter storm warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. EDT this evening. What? For heavy snow. Heavy snow is expected. Plan on difficult travel conditions, including during the morning commute today. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches are expected. Where should this happen? In northern Franklin and central Somerset counties. When? Through 6 p.m. this evening. Now, you should be prepared. I know you guys who live up there are used to the snow, and a winter storm warning for snow means severe winter weather conditions are occurring. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, some food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. So, once again, this is for northern Franklin and central Somerset counties through 6 p.m. this afternoon. You are under a winter storm warning with the chance of snow accumulations of 5 to 8 inches. And we have winter weather advisories that are going to remain in effect until around 11 a.m. this morning, EDT time. Snow's expected. You can plan on some slippery road conditions, including this morning's commute. Your snow isn't as much. Total snow accumulations, maybe 1 to 3 inches, with localized amounts up to 5 inches are expected. This is in parts of New Hampshire and also in parts of Maine, in northern Oxford County. And this advisory lasts through 11 a.m. this morning for you guys, okay? That's 11 a.m. this morning, EDT time, 1 to 3 inches in all of these places you see right here, including parts of New Hampshire and Maine. And a winter weather advisory is going to remain in effect until around 2 a.m. tomorrow morning. Now, this is further north in northern Maine, and for you guys in the area, you can expect mixed precipitation occurring. You're going to have some freezing rain, might have some ice pellet sleet in it too. Now, the snow accumulations should be 2 inches with localized amounts up to 6 in high terrain. And this is in northwest Aroostook. I hope I said that right. Northeast Aroostook, northern Somerset, and all the rest of the counties, including Washington County that's up north. And when should it happen? Well, you're going to be under this until 2 a.m. tomorrow morning, so it's coming your way. Please prepare for it. And if you're new over at Weather News with J7409, please subscribe, my friends. Join all of us over here. We really enjoy checking out the weather together, being with each other, and it's just, we're like a big family. So please, if you want to know what's happening with the weather, when it comes to weather news, forecasts, watches, warnings, any kind of storms whatsoever, please subscribe, click the bell, check off the email notifications to make sure you get each and every one of them and know what's happening around you. Well, my, look a here. This system looked like it was going to do nothing yesterday. Well, check it out this morning. Disturbance number one. A large area of cloudiness and showers over the central tropical Atlantic Ocean. It's associated with an elongated area of low pressure that you've been hearing me talk about. It's located more than 800 miles east-northeast of the Leeward Islands. Now, this broad low is expected to move slowly northward over the next few days into an area where the environmental conditions are forecast to become more conducive for development. Now, a tropical or subtropical depression could form over the weekend while the system turns westward well to the northeast of the Lesser Antilles. Wow! Man, the environmental conditions yesterday were looking like, well, it wasn't going to make it. And now, boom, by the weekend, we could have a tropical depression form. Now, the chance through 2 days of it forming is 10%. Through the next 5 days is medium at 50%. So I'll keep my eyes on this and keep you up to date on it. And as we take a look at the GFS map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits this morning, this is what it's looking like on the latest run at 6 a.m. this morning. So we have the snow going on up in Maine up here. Where you see the pink, that's like freezing rain, okay? Other than that, you know the deal and how it runs. Green is rain. When you get to the yellow, that's more significant rain. We can see all the rain down in Texas. So let's move it along and see how the remnants of Willow move up the coast this weekend. Now, this is with the GFS map model run. So the snow's moving on out of Maine now, as you can see. By tomorrow, lots of rain is coming, though. It's going, look how it's going to spread all along the Gulf states, right on up into Minnesota. We have this string of rain going on, but it will intensify as it moves. Florida, a lot of you, just about everywhere except down in the southern parts, going to receive some amount of rain. And as it moves on off of my coast and up, it really starts to intensify more, as you can see. As we move on up, this is around Sunday. Looking like Maine, you're going to be getting some more freezing rain and snow from this system. And then it's going to spread by Sunday afternoon. Look at all the freezing rain up and down all around and snow in Maine. But this is around all the other bordering states right in here. New York's looking like mostly rain at this time. A little bit of the freezing rain could drift over in there, maybe a few snow flurries now and then, as you see. Then we have another system coming down from Canada as a low by Monday that's going to affect the mid-Atlantic again, Pennsylvania, parts of Ohio, all the way to West Virginia, and North Carolina and South Carolina and parts of Georgia. Then it should move off and up the coast once again, bringing more rain to New Jersey. In New Jersey, I think you're going to get a lot of rain this weekend. That's the way it's looking out of this system from the remnants of Willow. So with that all said and done, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Everything you do for me, I just thank you so much. Thanks for the comments and the upvotes and the sharing of the information. And if you're living in these areas up here, make sure everybody knows about your winter storm warnings and advisories, because you guys have them in these places I showed you and told you about earlier this morning, right on through the day and part of tomorrow for a lot of places. So everyone, please, please, please stay safe. Have a good day, a blessed day, a good weather day, I hope, comes your way if you're living in one of the clear areas. Peace, love, and kindness to all, and thank you so much for watching.